To send Canva design as an email, let's go over to create here, and you want to select emails. You want to click on auto size here, this one that came up. This is the one we want to use to start to design the design we want to send as an email. So if you come over to the templates tab here, you see there are various templates that are in here that you can choose from. Whichever templates that grab your attention, you want to pick that and start working with. Let's click on this template, and it applies it to our design, and from here you can see your templates in full. You can come here and link your Facebook link, you can link your LinkedIn link here, you can also link your Instagram here. You can link where you want them to book a consultation, paste your link in here, and you can also write your own address in this part. Select all those text and write in your own address. If you want them to view the email in browser, you link the email link here, and also you have all those options to put in your email. You can also drag an image and put here. So let's quickly just change this image in this document. I'm going to double tap for it to open. I'm pulling my own image to replace this, and I'll click on the name, and I want to change that into my own name. And once I'm done with editing this part, I'm going to click on save. Now that we have our design all set, we're going to click on share here to send our email via an email platform. So you have various options. The options are a lot. So you can copy your email as an HTML file, or you can send via Gmail or Outlook. And if I click on see all, you also have all these options. You have Klaviyo, you have Breeze, Constant Contact, MailChimp, Lodeck, HubSpot. Whichever marketing platform you're using and it appears here, you can select an option from here. So if we choose to use Outlook to send this email, there will be a window that would open up showing you how your email is going to look like. So you can choose to edit your email subject from here. This is how your email is going to appear when you send it, and it will ask you to sign in with Microsoft. You will click on sign in, and it's going to ask you to connect your Microsoft account. We've signed into our email. From here you can see edit your subject line, hi, or something that you want your subject to be. Once you have that, you click on publish. It will publish your content, and it's going to appear in your draft message in your email. So now that it's published, you want to click on check it out, and it opens up in your Outlook. Whichever platform you're going to use, it's going to take this same process, and you can now continue to send it from there, but you will always see it in your draft when you open your email.